Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2013 Cadillac SRX we're going to be working on. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood. To pop the hood, there is a, right next to the kick panel, right here, there's a little lever with a hood. Just pull that lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the driver's side, lift it up. All right, so we're going to check the transmission fluid level. We're going to want to do this with the engine running. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start the vehicle. You're going to want to get the vehicle up to operating temperature, so like driving it around for about 5 or 10 minutes, get it up to temperature, and then you can shift through the gears, reverse, forward, drive. And make sure you're on a flat surface, and then we'll check the fluid under the hood. So with the engine still running, we're going to check the fluid right here. Here is the fill cap and the dipstick in one. So we'll unscrew it to the left, pull it out. First we're going to wipe it with a rag. We're going to reinsert it. Snug it down, and we'll pull it off again. We'll check the fluid level. Now our vehicle is cold, so the fluid level is right there. Kind of hard to see on camera. You can see a little better on there. But where you want the fluid when the vehicle is hot is right in between those hash marks where it says check hot. And you would have to add accordingly. Right, now we're going to reinstall the dipstick and filler cap. Just snug it down. As you can see on the cap, it says this vehicle requires Dextron 6.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.